Hi everybody, Doug VanderHorn, and we're back again talking about how we begin the design for one of our unique homes. Here we have a more compact version of what I've been working on. The same elements apply. We've got the garage and service side over here, the more formal side over here, kitchen, dining room, and kitchen, breakfast, family room relationship. We can see through the house as we come in the front door, and I always think that's nice. Here's the next refinement as I lay the trace over and just keep refining things as I go. Then I start to look at what's the form of the roof and the volumes of the building. And I'll do sketches like this and this where I'm trying to figure things out, where the water's going to go. Here's a more developed roof. That hatched area is a potential flat spot. I don't love those, so we'll try and get rid of that as we develop things. Once I get to a design, and this is pretty close to what I want to do, or at least what I want to look at more closely, I'll take that design and blow it up, double the size. So I've been working at 20 scale so I can consider the whole site, but now I want to get more refined, and so I move up. This is a doubling, so it's still at 10th scale, which is an unusual scale for architects to be working at. We'll go into drafting in a minute. Hi again, Doug VanderHorn. We're talking about the design process for one of our unique homes. In our last segment, I had just finished this sketch on the site of the existing house. What I've done here is I've photocopied it just so I can clean things up a bit and start looking at the site work around it. So in this sketch, we're starting to look at where might the swimming pool go? How might the existing landscaping and deck work with the new house? Where the terrace might be? And also, these two entrances to the basement are a real opportunity. I like to bring light and natural circulation into the basement space if we can. It really makes for a great quality of space. These areas, of course, will be landscaping. Once I know we're on the right path with the site, I like to enlarge the sketch just prior to drafting. At that point, I'm also looking at what the front of the house might look like. I try and create an inspirational sketch like this one, just to get an indication of where the volumes are going to be. I use this large sketch to then start drafting. Drafting is kind of an old-fashioned and time-consuming process, but I really enjoy it. I think it gives you time to think, and it's easy to move things around. Of course, I want the furniture to work, so I put that in early. I clean up that drafted drawing a little bit and color it so I can really get a sense of it. After that, I'll reduce it and put it back on the site. And so the process goes back and forth between the floor plan and the site design.